Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This week, an amazing follower from Indonesia sent me a message asking me to prepare tacos. And that's what I will be doing today. Today I'll be showing you how to make these delicious tacos that are my mom's recipe. And thank you so much, Mom, for giving me this recipe. It was delicious. Now, let's get started. So for the ingredients, what you're gonna need are soft taco shells. You can buy these or you can prepare them at home. To make sure this video isn't too long, I'm just gonna buy them. For the vegetables, you're gonna need 1 onion, 2 zucchinis, an orange bell pepper, a red bell pepper, a green bell pepper, some garlic. For the seasoning, you're gonna need mild red pepper powder, cumin, pepper, garlic powder, oregano powder, and paprika. You're gonna need fries, and these were boiled in water then baked in the oven to be more healthy. Cheese, salt, 500 grams of chicken breast, and you need to cut these in this shape. So now we're gonna season the chicken. In a large bowl, add the chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of mild red pepper powder. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Half a teaspoon of pepper. Half a tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of oregano powder. Paprika powder, you can add as much as you like. I added 1 teaspoon. And lastly, add some olive oil. Now mix it all together. When you're done mixing, it should look like this, and now keep this in the refrigerator. So for the Algerian sauce, you're gonna need 200 grams of preferably homemade mayonnaise, 1 small onion that's very nicely chopped. It has to be very thin. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Half a lemon worth of juice. Two tablespoons of parsley that is nicely chopped. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and half a teaspoon of harissa. You can add more if you want. In a small bowl, add the mayo. Add the tomato paste and harissa. Squeeze some lemon juice and add that to the rest of the ingredients. Now mix it all together. It depends for your sauce. This may need some salt. Example, mine needed a little bit more salt, so I just added a pinch. Add some cumin powder. Now add the 2 tablespoons of parsley. Add the onion. And now mix it all together. Here's what the mixture should normally look like. Now keep this in the refrigerator while you're preparing the rest. Cut the large onion in half and cut it in small, thin pieces. In a small pan, add some olive oil. After the olive oil heated up, add the onions. Just like the onions, cut them in half, remove the middle, and cut them in small pieces. The pieces should look something like this. Now that the onions are ready, set them aside while you prepare the rest of the vegetables. In a large pan, add the peppers. Here's my mom showing you a cool trick where she flips the vegetables and the fire starts rising. Cut the zucchinis in tagliatelle cuts. As you can see, a tagliatelle cut looks like this and they're very thin. Now add the zucchini to the other vegetables. Keep mixing. Now in a very large pan, you're gonna need to add the zucchini, the bell peppers, and the onions. Add some garlic on top and some salt. Add 1 teaspoon of oregano and half a teaspoon of pepper. And add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. And half a teaspoon of paprika or more. Add half a tablespoon of mild red pepper powder and mix. And then add a little bit of parsley. And keep mixing. Now in a separate pan, I know we're using a lot of pans, add some olive oil and cook the chicken. Just looking at the chicken makes me so hungry. I hope you guys try this. It's so delicious. Now it's time to put everything together. In a taco shell, you're going to add some of the sauce that we prepared. Make sure to keep the sauce in the middle, that way it won't leak out. And also make sure all the ingredients are cooled down, that way it doesn't rip open the tortilla. Add some fries. On top of the fries, you're going to need to add some vegetables. The delicious chicken. A little bit more sauce. And you're gonna add the cheese. Now watch carefully, because you have to fold the taco like this or else it might fall apart. And there we go, that's how you put it all together. And now it's time to cook it. If you don't have the machine that I have, you can just use a pan. And with the pan, you're gonna put the tacos. And you're gonna put something heavy on top of them, that way they're gonna cook nicely. As you can see, I like to cook the sides, that way it's extra yummy. And that's it, you guys, that's how you prepare these delicious tacos. It's my mom's special recipe and it tastes so good, so I hope you guys try this out. Thank you to the person who asked me to prepare this. Everybody loved eating these and they are super yummy, so I hope you guys try this out. And if you do, post it on Instagram and tag me. And as always, keep smiling.